Like me not just sing, me dance, you know, like the moonwalk, with all kind of shit when me in my bathroom.
Oh, Jesus.
Hello everyone! WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So for this week's vlog video, I'm outside at the park, Okeechobee Park. There's been some questions I kind of want to ask myself, and I'm going to answer them today. Questions I think would be pretty interesting if I answer them on camera. May I try do a video so y'all can get to know me a little better. First question. Are you a drunk? Occasionally me drink a Red Bull, so I can't call myself a drunk. I'm not drunk, I promise you. Next question. Do you talk to animals? Yeah, I do talk to animals sometimes. Sometimes I'm bored and I see an animal and I just be like, "Wagwan animal." And the animal look at me and say, "Me there." Just have a conversation, you know, I ask him wagwan for him there. Kinda they have a bad experience with a duck before. Hey, stay where you're there, now. Stay where you're there. Me not play with, hey, stay where you're there. Weird stuff always happens to me. So story time, let me give you a story about a duck. A duck like we just see a while ago. So one day, when I used to go to Broad College, you know, I was outside, sitting eating my lunch. I was very new to the campus at the time and I didn't really know that, you know, ducks were so damn friendly, you know. It's crazy how them ducks in Florida are friendly. Like if them see you with food, then come over, come greet you and stand up and wait for you to feed them and stuff. And at the time when I just start college, I was fairly new to the place, so you know, the whole ducks coming up to you and all of that, it's kind of weird cause, you know, me like animals, but me and them not get along because for some reason they always try to attack me or do something weird. But long story short, I was eating my lunch outside and the duck come from nowhere, you know. Come over to me, sit down, right, stand up right in front of me like him and wait for me to feed him. You know, I believe I wasn't even eating, man. I was eating candy, to be honest. Like some enemy, but then call it no, an enemy, a Skittles. Yeah, Skittles. Taste the rainbow. But yeah, Skittles. And the damn duck, you know, the damn duck walk up to me. And he basically fly up right in my lap and sit down right in my lap, people. And it's like the worst thing, you know, yo. It's like the class was about to start, so a whole heap of people there outside. And the duck fly up in my lap, me I tell you. But you know the real Jamaican instincts in me. As him fly up in my lap like a reflex, you know, me do, oh shoot, I turn over my Red Bull. You see, this is what me I talk about. Weird stuff always happen to me. But anyways, the duck fly up in me. Stay where you're there, no duck. Stay where you're there. Cause me and you go war today, no you try nothing. Why you come? Stay where you're there. Stay where you're there, no man. What's wrong with that duck here, people? But yeah, the duck, I guess, the duck, they fly up in my lap. And me have to shot in my box. Yeah man, me shot the duck off box. Like as him fly up in my me boom, and box him. And he fly out of my lap. And it's like the worst thing as me I tell you, a whole heap of people the outside say, a whole heap of people they see what go on. Like that was one of the weirdest experiences we ever had with the animal people. That crap was crazy. You know, made no sense. But yeah, man. That is my dog story. And me have a lot more story. A lot more weird story. I want to share with you. If you're interested in it, leave a comment below and make me know. Say, I know I use some more of them story. You know? But yeah, man. That is my dog story. Oh boy. Anyway, next question. Do you sing or dance in the shower? Do I sing or dance in the shower? I love singing to people. Like, I actually have a decent singing voice for all who really know, you know. Like, some people tell me some I can't sing, you know, and I'm kind of trying to make it go up to me and all of that, but yeah, man. I sing when I'm in the shower, I perform. Like, me not just sing, I dance, you know, like, I moonwalk, I do all kind of shit when I'm in the bathroom. Man, nobody can sing like me when me in the bathroom. Like, me sound so good, you know. Like, I wish y'all could hear me singing at the bathroom sometime. I probably video myself as singing at the bathroom one of them time. I'm making a hear, you know, I'm blessed in the years with this voice, you know. Maybe I sing funny before that video done, so I can't. Sister, I can't sing, but enough to stay tuned. You know, enough to watch the video and see if I can sing. Yeah, because if you don't watch the video, go all the way through, you're not gonna know if I sing or I go sing. So maybe I sing for you, I'm not gonna hear this voice, or maybe not. So continue watch the video. Do you ask or answer stupid questions?
Yeah, idiot.
Me always ask stupid questions, so I don't have a problem answering stupid questions, you know. But me always laugh when somebody asks me something stupid. Cause I can't help myself laugh sometimes. Like, you know, that's the one thing about me. Like, who know me always laugh. You know, me always a joke. But what did the question again? Let me forget the question a while ago. Hold on, let me look back. Oh yeah, do I answer stupid questions? Yeah.
How what is? Oh, Jesus.
Beer or wine? Wine. And I really drink too often, you know, because when you don't want to see me drunk, like me already this mother alcohol, you know what, give me a drink. Alright guys, me really hope you enjoyed that video. I really hope you enjoyed, because I really enjoy making this video. So anyways guys, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking. I really like to know what I think, you know. If you have any suggestions of things when I like to see me do, or videos that I like to see me make, or you just want me to ask me a question, you can always leave a comment below, you know. Share that video if you like it. You know, if you like it, I think say, yo, somebody else can get a laugh out of this, you know. Now share it for me. Yeah man, share it for me. I really appreciate the support, you know. Yeah man.
Oh, Jesus.